There we go. You guys can see that. Okay, so for this quick lesson on section drawings, who can tell me what a section drawing is? Nope, that is a plan view. Hannah. So when you cut your theater in half, you throw half it away and you look at what's left from the side. So this can give you very important information if you're doing, say, a musical about how big all the flying units are, where your borders are, things like that. Okay? It is always a good habit to do a section drawing when you're doing a show on Imaginary Invalid, unless you have lights that are not just on the grid. It would be less important, but it's still a nice thing to do. Section drawings happen fast. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a section drawing. They're easy. Much like your light plot paper space thing that we did, you don't have to worry if you're not done with your light plot yet, because what happens when you do the section drawing is as you update your light plot, it will automatically update your section drawing. Okay, what we love about Vectorworks. In fact, I will let you know that on most shows, I do my light plot and section drawing before I put any lights on in the file. Like, I will go build all that stuff because then it's done. Like, woohoo, and I can feel like I've worked on the show and I haven't had to make any decisions yet. Okay? Now, there is a decision that's going to have to be made with section drawing, but we're going to go ahead and take that. I'm going to delete the section drawing that is actually in here, which means your file probably has a section drawing in it. But it's okay, you're going to do your own. So first thing, much like we're going to be creating a viewport like we did with our light plot. So make sure you have everything turned on that you want turned on. In this case, I would recommend having all your scenery turned on, all your seating turned on, of course all your lighting turned on, and of course your building turned on. Okay? Again, you want to make, I don't have any lights in my light plot. You will have lights in your light plot. Yes, yes. Oh, maybe I do. Nope, I don't have any lights in my light plot. You hopefully have lights, because you should be almost done. Okay? Anyway, turn on everything. So you want to make sure you can see your pipes, your lights, the I-beams that are over the stage, the scenery, the seating. And make sure you can see all of that. Okay? And then you're going to do View, Create Section Viewport. So that's different than a regular viewport. It's 2 items down. So Create Section Viewport. You're going to click on that. And we generally do our section drawing down the center of the set. Yes.
It says you are on the sheet layer and there were objects selected.
Okay, so you can't be on a sheet layer. You have to be on a design layer. So this little box up here. So change that to scenery, lighting, seating, or building. Any design layer. Okay. Remember, a sheet layer is a piece of paper. So a section drawing of a sheet of paper is really boring. Got it? Huh? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. So, you want to go down the middle of the set, but you want to start near the bottom of the page. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. If you're not exactly on the middle of the set, it is okie dokie. First click, that's going to be your starting point. Next click, you do want to go straight up. You want to make sure that that A in our angle displays 90 degrees. You can also go down, by the way. But you do want to go straight. That's the way they're standard. Okay, when you get to the top, beyond your set and building, click again. And you got one more click to do. You can either click to the right. Actually, wait. I'm going to click this one more time. Okay. Name your section. So section, Chris's section. Create on layer. New sheet layer. Okay. Name your sheet layer. Chris's section drawing. Obviously, you can name yours Sage's section drawing or Jeff's really spiffy section drawing. Whatever. Okay. Your pop-up may look a little bit different. Okay. Drawing title.
So we want to
A new sheet layer, which you will need to name. Okay, scale, I'm going to guess 3/8. Remember, I can change all of this later. When I'm all done with that, I'm going to click OK. And it's going to work for a moment. Or a very long moment. Little green icon in the lower right-hand corner, status bar shows us it's working. Okay, and here's my section layer, my section drawing. Look, it looks through the set, and we see half of the building. Everything that's in red is something that has actually been chopped through. So we'll have to do a couple of other things. Once again, we'll have to do our file page setup. Get this on a page that will fit. So choose a page unavailable in printer setup. Will this fit on an Arch C? It will fit on an Arch C.
That's so weird.
What?
It's just cut in half. It's so bizarre.
That's what a section drawing is. It's cut in half.
Mine is the other half. Is that okay?
That's perfectly fine. In general, if one side is reveals more information to your tech crew installing the set than the other, that's the side you should do. However, on this show, I don't think one side's more interesting than the other. Okay, the next thing you want to do is put in a title block, or put in a border and a title block. We went over that last time. If you choose the same type of title block, it should import all the information. Whoops. I think I did a simple title block last time. Hopefully you remember what you did. You'll get asked a whole bunch of things. Just click OK. And there it is. Chris's section drawing, imaginary overlay. I can fill in the rest of that information. I have just created a section drawing. That was 7 minutes. Yeah? So don't forget, you will need a section drawing in your file a week from Wednesday when you hand in Imaginary Invalid.
Is there a list of everything?
There is. There's a list on Canvas. There is actually the grading rubric. So you can actually see how many points there are for everything. Okay? But yes, check it out on Canvas. It's there for you. It's also in the syllabus, but the Canvas one has been updated. So I would go with the Canvas one. Okay? What's your question? No such thing as a stupid question.
How did you make that box in the border?
Title block border settings. It's in your object info. It may just be called title block. Again, remember, we've got people in here with 5 different versions of Vectorworks. So title block, click it. If you select the same title block as you selected with your light plot, it should import much of the information. I don't promise it will, but it should. Okay? And if not, you can just edit the title block settings. Okay? Questions? Okay, I'm going to stop and I'm going to bring your computer over here so I can show everyone, but I'm going to stop the recording. Because what happened to you is actually...
Your stage looks lovely. I found the object info and then I don't see the title. Like on the left side of the screen where it says